Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz. Today I am going to be saving in my tiny savings challenges for my sinking funds for the month of August. These challenges specifically go towards my daughter and all the things that she needs coming up next month. So let's get into it. Before we get started, I just want you guys to know that you are just plain awesome, okay? All right, let's count our money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20. It's 30. It's 30. I missed $1, but it's 30. I couldn't remember if it was 35 or 30, but it's 30. Okay. Did I say that it's 30 already? It is. Okay. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm glad you popped in for this video. On Tuesdays, this is how we do savings around here. It's the fun way, the motivating way, the way that actually makes me want to save. And it's been working. It's been a great system for me. So if you haven't tried it yet, I would encourage you to try it out, see what you can do. And it's just have some fun with it. Okay. I feel like we're going to finish a lot of these challenges today, but we'll see. And I do like getting through them, so I know that I could do more like high numbers, but I like moving through these quickly. There's just something about it that is so much more motivating to me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for this first challenge, which is by Bookish Mama Budgets. So we are doing $2 a piece, so we are going to finish this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so our first challenge is done. Yay. That was a cute one by Bookish Mama Budgets. I liked it. The Sunscreen Scream Queens. So hard to say. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6 in this one, which is by Beezy's Things. I think each one is $1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $2 over here to the side that we can save for later. We should have 14, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's right. How is y'all's Tuesday going? How has your week been so far? We made it past the most difficult day, which in my mind is always Monday. All right, for this one, we have $2 here and we have $1 saved over here to the side. This one we have been doing, it looks like $2 a piece for these circles. So we can do another one. And then we still have a 1 here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I'm just going to grab a 1 from here and finish this one with 12. I think we can safely do that. Since we had that extra dollars, those 2 extra dollars over there. All right, challenge number 3 is done. Woohoo! All right, then we have this one by yours truly, Doodle Dollarz. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like we've been doing $2 a piece. So 2, 4, and we have a rollover one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a rollover one right here. Okay, next is our friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks, and she has this cute little froggy challenge. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think each one of these hearts is $2, so we're gonna have $2 extra over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Do you guys think we'll be able to finish every challenge? I don't know. We have in the past. That's challenge number 4. If we finish every challenge, let's say that today we're going to save an extra $10 if we shut the box, so to speak, and we finish every challenge. Okay? I think that would be fun. Okay, so for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to make each one of these $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. And then we have this one. Let's see if we can, what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have not quite finished this. 2 and 4. We needed $2 more to finish this one today. So we almost shut the box on all of our savings challenges, but not quite. We did manage to finish 5 of them though, which is pretty good, pretty good. So those are going to go in our savings bag. And we will have 5 new challenges next week. We'll see if we can shut the box on them next week. And that would be exciting because then we would save an extra 10. All right. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow for our roll and save and scratch and save binder. Bye.